Gathered here 2 mystery boxes from Target. They cost $20, but they promise us $50 in original retail value. So 15 plus, awesome surprises, unbox. So pretty cool, unique box over here. I bought 2 of them to see if we get the same stuff or do they switch it up. Heavily glued. Okay. First item over here. Oh, that's cute. What is this? A little chicken? Unicorn chicken. Okay. Yep, it was in the toy section. Also, in case you wanted to buy it for your kids, this mystery box, now you will know what you'll get. Ah, panda. That is funny. Plush. Another, what is this? Flip Air Zoo. That's kind of cool. There you go. There's a, I don't know, behemoth, and there's a turtle. What do you call it? Hippopotamus. There you go. So you get a bunch of toy junks so far. Oh, cool. So, mystery inside of a mystery. What is this? Over the garden wall. That's kind of fun. I never done unboxing like that before. Whenever you get lots of mystery toys inside of a mystery box. There you go. A little figurine. Wow, for real, this is only mystery figurines and plush toys. Collector's bag clip. Let's see what we're going to get. Oh, cool, it's like a little keychain. Pretty cool. I don't watch that animation, so I don't care that much. Oh, I love that. Who does not like the egg yolk? That is awesome. That I would collect. Kathleen loves them as well, so I'll bring that one to you. So it kind of makes sense. You only care what you care about. I never understood about them, but once you get the stuff that you care about, it's actually like, okay, that's actually pretty awesome. So each box will be completely different, as you can see. Oh, cool. Mystery box. Let's see what we got. Don't care about Hello Kitty. Oh, wow, no way. This is actually cute. Feels like this is from anime. I forgot what anime it is, but it probably will tell us. Does it? Ah, maybe just a copy. Wow, there's so many of them. That's crazy. Little pony bracelet. Wow, whole bunch of figurines and such. What we got here? Hulk. Iron Man maybe? Yep, Hulk and Iron Man. Oh wow, look at the dice. Ooh, a pin. Pretty awesome. Justice Leagues and Walking Dead. Who does not like Walking Dead? I used to watch it, I never finished it. Oh, cool, look at that. That's kind of awesome. And there's a tag of Walking Dead. Pretty interesting. There are cards over here with the dog, tag, or whatever they call it. Boom. And another one over here. That's kind of lame. I kind of like figurines a little bit better. Okay, let's see what we're going to get in a second one. In case you're wondering if it's the same stuff or not. Oh, piece of dice, different color. And there's a whole bunch of Hello Pony, or yep, Little Pony, whatever. Avengers. What we got this time? Cool, we got Captain America and whoever this is. I don't know yet. Anyways, looks like you get the same stuff but different things inside of them, hopefully. Yep, there's a Superman, another Superman, different one though. How many is there to collect? But that was kind of lamest one. Yeah, that is funny. Okay, there you go. Let's get something fun right here. Lazy egg. That I will collect. Oh, which one we got? Oh, that is awesome. These two I definitely would love to have all of them. Flip a zoo. What is this? Giraffe? Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Whatever. So in case you're wondering what you're going to get inside of a mystery box like that, bunch of this kind of stuff. This one exactly the same one. This one is a little bit different. I don't even care to open that. Oh man, what is this? So looks like there's even different mystery things inside of them. I didn't see this animation. But you do get the pins and stuff. Another little animal thing over here. Real quickly. Oh, this is Dalmatian. I have a Dalmatian, so that's kind of awesome. I will keep it because I already have one. And another little whatever that is. Okay. This is what you'll get for 20 bucks each. Kind of awesome. There's another cat. Kind of feels nice to mush it. I mean, it was pretty fun. It wasn't totally useless. If you buy it for kids, they're probably going to enjoy it a lot. But for myself, I like this tool quite a bit. I'm a fan. But everything else is kind of cool. But I'm sure a lot of you could appreciate. Now you know what you get in one of those Target mystery boxes.